This is a little DIY project that I'm gonna be doing. I recently purchased this from a garage sale for like, I think I got it for free, can't remember. Those are my cats. And I'm gonna be spraying this because I want to put my jeans on them in my closet, so I'll be spraying it with this Rust Helium Painter's Touch, and it's paint and primer in one. But because the stand is dirty, I'm gonna go ahead and okay, so now I have the rag wet, so I'm gonna wipe it off. Should have used a bit of bleach, but I just want to get the excess dirt off before I apply the spray paint. Edges that's kind of really rough, I'm gonna be taping those edges with the Gorilla tape and then spray it.